Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the night mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, when I talk about night mode, there's two different things you might be talking about. First thing you might be talking about when it's night mode, it's going to be the black or the darks feature instead of the light feature for the display. For that, in the settings here, you're going to want to go to display and brightness, click on dark, and that's the night mode. So that's one thing in terms of the night mode where you can enable it. Now you can also have this set to be automatic where it becomes night mode when after sunset and then light mode after sunrise. So automatically will go into night mode itself, or you can always keep it at night mode by turning that off. Now another area that you might think about night mode is going to be the camera. So in order to enable the night mode for your camera, it's going to be slightly different. So the night mode, it's a feature that automatically turns on whenever there's low light on the camera. So if you take the light and you make it low light, right, this icon will come up for night mode and it'll automatically take a photo and adjust the lighting itself here. Sometimes what you can do is disable, if you have a live photo, turn that live photo off, and then you can also click on that arrow here, and then that will allow you to, whenever you see right here, you can press and hold and adjust the night mode here. This is the night mode feature here. It'll come up whenever you see when I block the camera, and then I can adjust that accordingly to however long I want, and that icon up top here indicates it's in night mode. So those are different ways to enable the night mode on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.